do this one.
All right, we're going to write the equation for the conic with a foci or foci, however you want to say it, at -4, -3, and a vertex at 8, 3. So I like to just draw them in normally. So I know it's at y equals 3, so that's going to be a vertical line. So here's my y equals 3. Just to draw it in there. You might want to make it like a dotted line. So you can see. All right, so there's my foci are at -4. We'll call this -4, 3. And we'll call this over here 6, 3. So there are my foci or foci, and there's a vertex at 8, 3. So there's a vertex over here that's 8, 3. Well, if that's a vertex, and these two are foci, what kind of shape do I have to have? Yeah, it's got to be an ellipse. It can't be a parabola because there's two foci. A parabola only has one focus and a directrix. It can't be certainly a circle, and it can't be a hyperbola. Can't be a hyperbola. So where does my center have to be?
1, 3.
The center's got to be somewhere in between them, right here. And what's right in between -4 and +6?
1.
It's +1. You just do 6 minus 4, or 6 plus -4, all divided by 2, which is 2 over 2, which is 1. So this is at 1, 3. Oh, there's my center. That's nice. And now I need to know my A and my B. Well, I know my A. What's my A?
7. Oh, yeah, 7.
A is that distance right there, or my R sub x, I should say. R sub x equals 7. Now I just have to find my R sub y. And how do I find my R sub y? How do I find this distance up here? My R sub y. Yeah, I use the Pythagorean theorem. And what's the Pythagorean theorem for an ellipse, say?
49 minus...
R sub x squared is the biggest one.
Minus R sub y.
Equals R sub f squared, let me write it out, plus R sub y squared. So what's R sub x?
49.
7. So 7 squared equals?
49.
What's this distance? What's R sub f?
5.
It's 5. So 5 squared plus, we'll call it b squared. So 49 minus 25. What's 49 minus 25? So b squared equals 24. All right, so now I have all the information I need. Let's write the equation. So your equation is going to be, for an ellipse, it's going to be x, here's my center, 1, 3, so x minus 1 squared all over 49 plus y minus 3 squared, because of that 3, all over 24 equals 1, and there's my equation.